Hello students, welcome to the classes. In this session, we will continue with MCQs on permutations and combinations. Let's see the first question. How many numbers greater than 24,000 can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, when no digit is repeated. See, let's take the 5 places here. Okay, now here the first place can be filled in how many ways? Let's check. You cannot substitute 1 here. Why? If you substitute 1 here, it becomes less than 24,000, right? So you cannot substitute 1, but you can substitute 2, 3, 4, 5. It means I have 4 options to fill up this in 2. Out of these 4, let's say I have filled one number. Let's say I have filled 5. How many numbers you are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means to fill up this again I have 4 options in 2. Now let's say I have filled one more digit now. How many you are left with? 3 options. I'll write 3. Let's say I have filled one more digit. How many you have now? 2 options. Let's say I have filled this also. How many you have now? 1 option. So 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 48. 48 2s are 96. You have 96. But do you have any option? No. This means there is something wrong, obviously. What's wrong? See, in this case, whatever we have done, okay, I told you it doesn't start, it should not start with 1. But even though if it is starting with 2, now let's say it starts with 1. What if this starts with 1? Right, if this number starts with 1, it becomes 21,000. In that case, that is also what? Less than 24,000. Or even if it starts with what? 3, it becomes 23,000. That is also what? Less than 24,000. Right. So in these 96 arrangements, okay, in these 96 numbers, we have also included 21,000 something and 23,000 something. I should remove those numbers. To remove those numbers, now see here, 21, for 21, let's say I have first 2 digits as 21. Now remaining 3 digits I have. To fill up these 3 digits, okay, this 21 is fixed now. To fill up these 3 digits, how many options I have? To fill up this digit, I have 3 options. Because out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 and 1 are gone. So I have 3 options. Into, if I fill 1, I am left with 2 more digits. If I fill 1 more, I am left with 1 more digit. So how many numbers are done? 6 more numbers are done. It means there are 6 numbers which starts with 21. It means 21,000 something. There are 6 such numbers. So similarly, 23,000 something. If you fix up 2 and 3, okay, if you fix up 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you fix up 2 and 3, again you have 3 options, right? So 3 options. If I fill one number or 1 digit, I am left with 2 options. If I fill 1 more, I am left with 1 option. Again, there are 6 more options, right? So there are total of 12 numbers in these 96 numbers, which are again less than what? 24,000. So what are the numbers which are more than 24,000 then? 96 minus 12. So what's the value? 84. So which option? Option B. Right. Now let's look into the second question then. In how many ways 5 boys and 5 girls can stand in a row so that no 2 girls may be together? See what they are asking you. In how many ways 5 boys and 5 girls can stand together so that no 2 girls, okay, may be together. It means let's do one thing. Let's take the 5 places here. Okay, let's place 5 girls here. Okay, let's take them as G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. So no 2 girls are together. See, no 2 girls are together. That means what? Between 2 girls there is a boy. See, between these 2 girls I have 1 place. Between these 2 I have 1 place. Between these 2 I have 1 place. Between these 2 I have 1 place. And I have 1 place here also. I have 1 place here also. In these, how many places you have? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 places, 5 boys will stand. In these 6 places, 5 boys will stand. So that alternate boys and girls are standing now. So there are no 2 girls standing with each other. So in that case, see how many ways we can arrange girls now? Girls, we have 5 places. So 5 places. But how many girls? 5 girls. So how many ways we can arrange? 5p5. Okay, 5p5, not 5 factorial, 5p5 now. Okay, this 5p5 is nothing but 5 factorial. 5p5 is nothing but 5 factorial because you apply the formula. Okay, what I told, 5p5, start from 5, go till 5 numbers. I mean 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 numbers. This is nothing but what? 5 factorial. Now, boys have 6 options or 6 places to stand. 6 places. But how many boys we have actually? 5 boys. So 6p5. Out of 6 places, 5 boys are selected. I mean 5 places are selected. In those 5 places, the boys are arranged or the boys will stand. Right. That means 6p5. What's that? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Starting from 6, I write 5 numbers. Right. So, if you multiply with 1, does it make any difference? No. Into 1, you'll get the same value. So, this value is nothing but 6 factorial. So, boys, I mean girls are arranged in 5 factorial ways and boys are arranged in 6 factorial ways. So, what's the final answer? 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So, which option? Option B, 6 factorial into 5 factorial. Right. Now, that's the second question. Now, let us see the third question. Okay. So, this is similar to the previous one. See, all the letters of the word EAMCET, okay, are arranged in the all possible ways. EAMCET. Okay. The number of such arrangements in which no 2 vowels are together. So, they have asked what? No 2 vowels are together. This means what? Let's do one thing. No 2 vowels are together means one, if you have one vowel, the next thing should be one consonant. Let's do one thing. Let us take the consonants here. What are the consonants here? M, C, T. I'll fill up the consonants in 3 places. Okay, I have 3 places for 3 consonants. Now, how many vowels we have? See, E, A, E. We have 3 vowels. Okay, so these places are for consonants. I'll write C for consonant. And I have how many? You should have alternate vowels and alternate consonants. Then only in this case we can have no 2 vowels together. In that case, that means what? I have one place left here, one place left here, one place left here, one place left here. Right? It means out of these options, out of these 4 places, I have to select the 3 consonants there. Okay, I have to arrange the 3 consonants. That means what? I can arrange 3 consonants out of 4 places in the way. How many ways? 4p3. Okay, out of those 4 places, I have to arrange 3 what? Vowels, and 3 places I have to arrange 3 consonants into 3 places 3 consonants, 3p3. But divided by 2 factorial. Why divided by 2 factorial? Here you can see E has been repeated twice. If an element or if a number or if an alphabet is repeated twice, okay, so if you make 2 arrangements, let's say let's take this E, Y, E. Okay, now if I exchange these 2, again what happens? E, Y, E. Does it make any difference in this case? No. It means there are 2 such arrangements. Okay, there are 2 such arrangements which are no different from each other. Both are same. So there will be exactly half of such arrangements where both the results are same. That's why I should divide by 2 factorial. If there are 3 such elements, you should divide by 3 factorial. Now see 4p3, 4 into 3 into 2. 3p3, 3 into 2 into 1. And 2 factorial, 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Right. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 12 6s are 72. Which option? Option B, 72. Now let's see the 4th question. NCR equals to NCR minus 1 and NPR equals to NPR plus 1. Find the value of N. See here, they have given both permutation as well as combination, right? Now let's see how to solve this. See, first they are given NCR equals to NCR minus 1. So now we know NCR, we can write it as NCN minus R. I have given the formula in the synopsis, and this NCR minus 1 as it is. Now if we compare on both sides, N minus R is nothing but what? R minus 1. So I write N minus R equals to R minus 1. Right, minus R this side plus R. So you get what? N equals to 2R minus 1. Right, we got one relation here. Next, let us use this relation. NPR equals to NPR plus 1. Right, now let's do one thing. Let's use the definition of NPR. NPR is given by what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. Right, here also NPR plus 1 is given by N factorial divided by N minus R plus 1 factorial. Right, I am just using the definition of NPR. So here instead of R we have what? R plus 1. So instead of R we write R plus 1 here. Now N factorial get cancelled. Now if you compare on both sides, 1 by this N minus R factorial, how can you write it? See here, 6 factorial is nothing but what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now this we can write as 6 factorial, we can write as 6 as it is, and this whole remaining thing we can write as what? 5 factorial. This means the number as it is and 1 less than that factorial. This means what? I write this number N minus R as it is, N minus R as it is. I will take 1 less than that. It means N minus R minus 1 I will take. Then I write factorial. See, I am writing the number 6 as it is. Then I am taking 1 less number. I mean 6 minus 1 is 5. Then I am writing factorial for it. Similarly, I am writing number as it is. The number minus 1 factorial equals to here 1 by, see, N minus R minus into plus minus 1 factorial. Both of them get cancelled. We get what? We get N minus R equals to 1 if you compare on both sides. Now what's the value of R here? Okay, or you can do one thing. N is nothing but what? Here we have 2R minus 1. Right, I will substitute that here. N is nothing but 2R minus 1 minus R equals to 1. 2R minus R, R. Minus 1 that side, plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we got R equals to 2. Right, and we know N is equal to what? Or N minus R equals to what? 1. N minus R is 2. N minus 2 equals to 1. Minus 2 this side, plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. So what's the value of N then? N value is 3. So which option? Option C, 3. Right. Now let's see the fifth question. Okay, in how many ways 6 men, okay, and 5 women can dine at the round table if no 2 women are to sit together? Dine in the sense they are sitting around the round table for dinner. Okay, so there are 6 men and 5 women, and no 2 women have to sit together. 6 men, 5 women means there are 11 places around the circle. Let's do one thing. Let us consider a circle. Now let's take 11 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So let's consider 11 places. Now no 2 women sit together. It means between 2 women, okay, there should be at least one man. Okay, there should be at least one man. Okay, let me do one thing. If I write woman here, I have to 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 write woman here, because no 2 women should sit together. Right, so here I cannot write woman, here I cannot write woman. Right, so I have to write woman in this way. So how many options you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in how many ways they can be arranged? 5 factorial. Right, they can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Now how many places you have for men? See, I can have men here, men here, men, 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 men. See how many options you have for men. See, 2 men can sit together. What they have asked, 2 women cannot sit together. Women, okay, but men can sit together. So how many options you have for men? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in how many ways they can be arranged? 6 factorial. So what's the option? 5 factorial into 6 factorial. So which option? Option B, 6 factorial into 5 factorial. Right.